Hello there. Look who we have here. Hey, it's my F-15SG. So this is actually my Christmas present for 2021. So it's time for me to assemble it together. But it's actually a ready-made kit. Wow, look at this. That is one beautiful F-15SG right there. Does come with a base as well. Right. There you go. The F-15. That is the F-15SG. This is the base. The F-15 right here. 1:144 scale. Pretty small, but it's pretty beautiful. Nice finish. As this was actually painted back in 2018 as the RSAF celebrates its 50th anniversary. So this is the undercarriage. This is how it looks like. Well, time for me to assemble the landing gears, shall we? They're pretty small. Here it is. This is how it looks like after I assemble the landing gear. Looks pretty cool. The details are pretty nice, especially the 50. So the intriguing details at the side of the vertical stabilizers as well. One thing is I can pull this thing up as well. Definitely take quite a while, but that's the air brakes. So yeah, definitely enjoy this, and wishing you a happy holidays and happy new year. Peace and have a great 2022.